This is the Zenbook Pro 14 that also comes under the model name of UX480, and it costs about 1500 or 1600 euros depending on where you buy it from. One of the key selling points of this laptop, the display that is built into the trackpad, and it is called the screen pad. Besides being a regular trackpad, the screen pad lets you use the apps like calculator, calendar or music player. You can also use the screen pad for Microsoft Office applications, which I found to be pretty convenient, but it takes a bit of time getting used to. You can also use the screen pad as the display extender, download new applications, adjust quite a few settings, and so on. Overall, the screen pad is not just a gimmicky feature. I found it to be useful, innovative, and cool looking too. Once you know it's there, you kind of want to keep using it. Another highlight, a 14-inch 1080p display with very slim bezels. The panel itself looks really nice and sharp too. However, I wish it was slightly brighter, but it's bright enough for indoor use. The laptop is really well constructed and it is made mostly out of metal. I'm really happy with the overall build quality, but the glossy metal finish attracts fingerprints very easily, so be ready to clean them quite often. On the left we have DC in, USB Type-C, USB-A and full-size HDMI ports. On the right you can find another USB-A port, a headphone jack and a micro SD card slot. I wish the laptop had a full-size SD card slot. Once you open up the lid, the hinge raises the keyboard, which is useful both for better typing experience and effectiveness of the cooling system. By the way, the display can be lifted with just one finger, which is not the case with all laptops. As far as keyboard goes, the keys are a little bit mushy, but once you get used to them, they are pretty comfortable to type on. I also like that the keyboard is evenly backlit. The loudspeakers are located on the bottom. Despite that, the quality of sound is pretty good and the speakers can get quite loud. Here is a quick audio sample. The Zenbook Pro has specifications that assure great day-to-day performance on the Windows 10 operating system. The i7 chipset paired with 16 GB of RAM assures that the device is fast and responsive on a daily basis. Also, there is enough power to do basic video editing or gaming, even though I'm not the biggest gamer out there. The fans may get quite loud under heavy load, but not too loud to distract you. The battery is set to last up to 12.5 hours. Under my usage, I could get over 10 hours, which is still a pretty good result. The Zenbook Pro comes with quite a few accessories, including a travel pouch, Ethernet adapter, a cable tie, a cleaning cloth, and a fast charger that can provide 60% charge in just 49 minutes. Overall, I think that Asus did a great job with this laptop. While the Zenbook Pro is not very cheap, the screen pad makes it stand out from the crowd. In fact, I think it's a really useful tool that I enjoyed using. I also like a nice design, great build quality, sharp display and very good overall performance thanks to great hardware and good battery life. A few shortcomings are that the glossy metal chassis attracts fingerprints very quickly. Also, I miss a full-size SD card slot. Despite that, the Asus Zenbook Pro is a solid all-around premium laptop with plenty of power and innovative features that are packed into a compact body. Just before I sign out, I wanted to show you guys a really cool above-tech folding laptop table stand and say thanks for sponsoring this video. I found this little table to be really convenient to use with a Zenbook Pro. Laptop fixed clips prevent the device from sliding off the table, which is really useful. There is a mouse stopper too. I like that you can adjust the height and the angle of this table, easily fold it and unfold it, and use it for other purposes. For example, you can use it as a breakfast tray or reading rack. Overall, the above-tech folding laptop table stand is an awesome device that I can easily recommend you to check out. It costs about $45 US and you'll find all the links down below the video. What do you think about this Asus laptop? Drop me a comment down below. Also drop me a comment down below if you have any questions, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.